Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get approved for options trading TD Ameritrade, full guide. Open your TD Ameritrade account, go to the options application, and fill every section honestly. Focus on experience, income, liquid net worth, and trading objectives when answering. Explain any discrepancies clearly in optional comments. Double-check all fields, attach ID, and submit the application to speed approval with a calm, confident approach. Approval hinges on a few clear factors that I will walk you through in a friendly way. The platform looks for trading experience, documented through past trades and years of active investing. It also checks financial stability using income, net worth, and liquid assets to ensure you can handle potential losses. Finally, your stated risk tolerance and investment goals inform which options strategies you may be approved to use. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical guides that help you trade smarter. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes life easier between trades. Check the description for the link and exclusive deals to save some time and money. And then now let's get back to the video. Here are practical tips to improve your approval chances, delivered in a warm, conversational tone. Be honest and detailed about prior options or stock trading experience, and mention courses or credentials if relevant. Show available capital by linking external accounts and reporting liquid assets accurately. Request conservative approval levels first, complete a few successful trades, and then request higher strategy access based on that proven history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.